What's up everyone, Amazon Prime Days are back October 8th and 9th, and I just wanted to release a quick video to let you guys know what RV products are on sale. I'm going to make this video short and sweet so you guys can get shopping. At the end of this video, I'm going to put a link on the screen to a spreadsheet. In that spreadsheet will be a bunch of RV products on sale for Amazon Prime Day. And to the right of that product on the spreadsheet will be a link that will take you directly to that product. Just a heads up, I get these Prime Day lists a little bit earlier. Sometimes the manufacturers back out of the sale, and prices are always subject to change. Now, in the future, if you want to get these spreadsheets without having to find our video on YouTube, you can simply sign up for our email newsletter. It's completely free, and as a member of the newsletter, you will get the spreadsheet sent to your email on the morning of the sale. I'll put a link at the top of the screen right now to join that newsletter. Again, it's completely free, and you can unsubscribe from the newsletter at any time if you don't want to get the emails anymore. Okay, I want to highlight just one product that's on the list today that I've been using for a while. It is the DeWalt cordless drill driver. This is part of their 20 volt max series. It comes with two 20 volt batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag, which I actually repurposed to carry other tools in my truck. It's also got a really nice keyless chuck that can be tightened with one hand. These are great for repairs or modifications, or just to raise or lower your manual stabilizer jacks. It's a quality drill, and it's not so expensive that you probably won't mind buying one to strictly keep in the RV. Okay, there's a link on the screen right now to the spreadsheet, and just a heads up, if you're watching this video on your phone, it will probably be easier to read and navigate the spreadsheet on a computer. Also, this list does not include every single RV part that's on sale for Prime Day, but as you navigate through Amazon, it will recommend other RV parts on sale. I hope the spreadsheet saves you a few bucks. Happy shopping everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.